Trading Forex online is a very profitable business, but it can be very challenging if you don't know what you're doing. And also, you have to have a system that can produce results over and over again and again in the same fashion. Here, I'm showing you the system that I have created. I call it Magic Ivy system, and you can see the chart and the entries here. This is how these are a little bit of different kind of candles than regular Japanese candlestick, right? And they are color coded, like blue going up, red coming down. And with the help of this indicator, you can see how precise the entries are. I'm showing you only, in this video, I'm going to show you only one pair from August 8th. I start keeping the record. And I'm just going to show you just one pair, just to see that how many trades you have in the same fashion again and again. So let's get started. See how many entries here. This is a 40-minute chart, by the way. The system that I call it Magic Ivy system, I use two time frame, 40-minute chart and a 20-minute chart. And this 40-minute chart setups are awesome, very precise and very lucrative. This was a sell entry, this was a sell entry with this indicator all the way up. Candle color changes from blue to red, and then and then daily time frame, weekly time frame tell us if the trend is down or up, so that we can only take one-sided trades like sell, sell, sell. Here you can see not taking the buy because the pair was in the sell mode. And I do my live webinar. And once someone subscribe, you become a part of my group, and then you attend the webinar where you can learn how to see the trend, how to recognize the trend, and then take the entries from these 40-minute charts and 20-minute charts as well. So here you can see sell, 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 and this is the live trade. Sell order here, SL here, TP here, everything is here. And look what happened to this chart. After this, a little bit down here, and TP hit, right? In fact, I moved the TP, and the second TP is 69.09, and it was hit nice and clean with 225 pips, right? Then I waited for this price to go up again and give me another entry, because as long as this pair is moving down, it will keep giving you the entries, just like here. Sell, 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 and this was a sell, and then next one will come shortly right here. Okay, and then that goes down further, 68, 65, and then it will retrace again into the wave. Indicators all the way up, and another entry down here. Then that will go down. You see, start going down. This was probably still alive, right? And starting to go down now. From here didn't go up much, but finally came down, and now starting to go up, and time to close the trade. Again it went up there, and then started to go down again. Short entry. I mean, it just keep repeating. Now that one was, my SL was taken out, and then pair makes the turn to the upside. Okay, now is the time for long, because you can clearly see there is a big move to the upside. Now let's see what happened. The pair went up there, and then dipped and gave me a nice beautiful long entry, and now it's a buy order here, and then started to go up, went up, then came down. Basically there was it was a trade but not recorded. This is the entry that it's showing here. See that this one is starting to go up. This is August 24th, and let's see what happened. Keep going to the upside, and up here there was a strong resistance. And sometimes when I'm very very much sure that what's going to happen, so even though it was against, but I showed it here, closed my long, and this indicator was turning to the downside, was a strong resistance, 73.25. So I showed it here, and then it came down nicely back to here, this area. Now I'm short from here, But you can see that this setup is exactly like this one, like this one, like this one, right? So it's coming down here, and that's why I said that possible buy is going to make a turn from here. So I'm going to close my short and then go long from here, right? So look what happened. And this indicator was also getting ready, just like here, just like here, just like here, and just like here. You know, same rinse, repeat, same pattern over and over again and again. So let's see what's happening to this sell and then buy. So sell is gone, buy is in place, right? I close my sell and then buy, and what happened to this buy? You can see this buy order and went up there. Okay, now here very close, I close it because this is 30th August. Let me show you something interesting that Twitter, you see this here? I tweeted on August 29 that watch 72.52 for a bounce in GA. So this is where exactly it bounced. This is 72.59. See that here? So this is the bounce, and I had my trade here, right? Entry, and it went up. And let me show you something again. And I said, you see this TP is 74.75, right? So what happened exactly? It went up straight. Look on the 30th, very close, and then started to come down. I closed it here. See, my trade is gone. So I closed it because I knew that there was a timing period. You know, the time, the volume time was going up. So, and then it didn't go, and this reversal candle was in place, and then seeing this indicators all the way up, turning to the downside. So I closed my long, waiting for another entry, which I got later on. I'm going to show you. You see this from 20-minute chart. That was 40-minute, but I got this 20-minute chart. This was a dip, and then starting to go up. Here's my 20-minute entry, buy, sell, and this one went straight up and hit finally 74.75, my target, and then I closed that one as well. So this is how this system works. You can see for yourself. It's like, it's beautiful. Coming down all the way, same story, you know, dipping and then going up and dipping and then going up, keep giving you these entries, and again it makes turn to the upside, and now it is going to the upside and giving you buy entries. Nice, you know, this one, this one, this one. This arrow and this buy, I wrote it down. This is not the part of the system or anything. It's just to, you know, show that this was the entry. But the candle, the color itself, good enough, you know, very clear. When the red is dropping, the candles are red, and then if the indicator is making, you know, turning to the upside, and then all of a sudden you see the blue candles from, especially from a level like, you know, 6909. These are the big, you know, numbers. Pound Aussie. I don't know if I have the chart. Well, no. But these are, so these are the numbers, you know, weekly highs and lows and monthly highs and lows, and this is what I teach you as well, where to get these numbers. And in fact, I provide all the templates, and then you can simply, you know, add those templates in your MT4 platform, and then you will see all those weekly and monthly charts the way I have it, and you can copy those numbers from those big high time frames to these 40-minute charts like that, and then, you know, take entries whenever that happen. I think it's very clear and good enough what you see right now, buys and sell, you know, using this system. So if you you know, like this, and if you're interested, go in my website, and let me show you if it is on here. Okay, yeah, so see, this is my website. Go up here. This is myforexmagicwave.com, and just use this button, subscribe, and it's just $50 a month, but you can take trades like, for example, this one. Okay, I just posted it, and I just closed this trade. This was an index, yen index, individual index, and I said that it's gonna go up. This chart was May 23rd, August. You see this harmonic pattern, bad pattern is complete, and this will make all the yen pairs to go up. This is what I wrote, and I sent out to my subscriber and everything, and all those yen pairs will start going up. And just to show you one of them, see this. This is what happened to this chart. went from there to there, exactly where I was pointing, right? And then based on this index chart, yen index, yen weakness, I went long in pound yen from here. The entry was from 20-minute chart, but you can see this was an entry, this was an entry, this was an entry from 40-minute, and but this trade is went straight up to this number, daily low, 3593, yeah, 3593, and giving me 275 pip from here to here only. Imagine from here to here, also 200 pip, probably 150, 200 pip, right? So this is how this system works. And maybe I have some more. You see this? This is pound Aussie I just showed you, right? This is again the same pound Aussie. This was another pound yen entry. This is 280 pip on pound Aussie, the first one. This was Euro USD entry, see from here, and this is after chart here. Straight went up to this area. This was my target, was 1375, which I got very easily. So this is it for now. Like I said, if you like what you saw, just go on my website, subscribe, be a part of it. I'll give you the template, the EA, the indicators, everything. And if you're very new and if you don't know how to set up these charts, these candles, I go in your computer through TeamViewer and I'll set up all the charts and everything. At least I'll set up one chart and show you how to do it. I have tons of videos. If you go on my website, see the previous videos, previous webinar recording, all are here. Hundreds of videos. Okay, hundred, literally, probably like 300-400 videos here. And all the before charts are here for you to see from previous harmonic pattern, Elliott wave, all these line yards for my subscribers. But if you go up here and then you try to go on previous recording, I may be able to go in now because I'm no, see, even I need a password to go. So it is password protected for only for subscribers. Not anybody can go and see. So this is it for now. And like I said, if you like to see how it works, learn how to do it, and then start doing it, just go on the website, subscribe with PayPal here, the credit card here, buy now button, and start trading just like I showed you. Okay. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.